At DC&T's global manufacturing hub in Khed City, manufacturing is an engineering system, not just production. Complex infrastructure designs are turned into repeatable, industrial-scale output with precision at every stage. Digitally integrated, robotics-enabled lines translate design directly into execution. High-accuracy operations and disciplined automation keep quality consistent at any scale. Power, structure, thermal, and control elements are integrated in-house, enabling full-scale production of products such as BESS and prefabricated containerized data centers with end-to-end ownership. Structured quality controls, comprehensive testing, and complete material traceability ensure every system meets global benchmarks. With an 8-acre integrated hub, DC&T Global delivers consistent execution, predictable timelines, and reliable performance across international projects. DC&T Global, translating design into precise automated execution.